Welcome back. Today I had one of those ideas that sounds great. Right until you actually start doing it. I wanted to make a handbag from plywood. Not because anyone asked for it, but because I needed to know if it was possible. As always, it starts with a design. On a computer, everything works perfectly. There are no tolerances, no glue, and no consequences. I started by cutting the side panels from 3mm plywood. One layer felt optimistic, so I went with two. This is not over-engineering, this is emotional support. Between the two layers, I added a hidden screw. This will later hold the chain, in theory. In practice, we'll find out together. After gluing the layers together, it was time for pressure, professional clamping pressure. Gym weights. I don't own enough clamps. But I do own gravity, and gravity never disappoints. While the glue was drying, I cut the remaining plywood parts. At this point, everything still looks intentional. That's usually the last calm moment. Then came sanding, the step everyone wants to skip, and the step everyone regrets skipping. To balance the plywood, I added artificial leather covers. Wood is honest, leather is forgiving. Together, they make people believe this was planned. For cutting leather I use speed 50 millimeters per second. Next, I glued the sides together and locked everything in place with a set screw. This is the moment where mistakes become permanent.
One eternity later.
Once everything had cured, I attached the leather covers to the sides. This is where it finally stops looking like a prototype and starts looking like something you might actually bring outside. Then I installed the closing system, and surprisingly, it worked. Beat. Which immediately made me suspicious. Finally, I added the chain hooks and the chain itself. This is the final test. If it survives this step, it might actually deserve to exist. And somehow, it works. The plywood handbag is real. Would I recommend this? That depends. But would I do it again? Absolutely. If this plywood handbag surprised you, there's probably more questionable ideas coming. Subscribe if you want to see how they turn out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.